marami pong salamat kay Mayora Christy Angeles.
We love you, Mayor Christy. Thank you very much po.
Interlock City, we have one goal. Magkaisa bawat oras, sama-sama.
Thank you po, Mayor Christy Angeles.
Maraming salamat po.
Championing unity, reigned by unity and ruled by excellence. Pure hearts come together to serve. This is Tarlac City. Under the directive of Mayor Christy Angeles, harmonious service is championed. Learn to appreciate is Monday flag racing.
There is no reason why the city government of Tarlac will not succeed. We will always achieve if there will be unity. And in unity, isa lamang po ang sikretong salita, collaboration. Collaborative team effort of everyone. Then, Tarlac City is ready to soar to greater heights.
Constant care brought by the angels. People's Day.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Christy, dahil po na-survive po pambili ko gamot para sa anak ko. Maraming salamat po, Mayor Christy Angeles.
Shaping a better tomorrow and guiding progress. Groundbreaking of First Tarlac City Football Field.
Ito po ay isa na namang bunga ng ating pagkakaisa. Tunay na pong kapag tayo'y nagkakaisa, walang imposible. Ang football field na ito ay isa lamang pangarap noon. Ngunit ngayon, ang pangarap na ito ay matutupad na. At dahil po yan sa ating pagtutulungan at pagkakaisa.
This is a dream come true. We've been waiting for this for so many years, for decades already. Matagal na namin pinangarap na magkaroon ng sariling football field, especially in Tarlac City. So of course, with the help of our ever-supportive city mayor, nag-materialize o naging natupad ang aming pangarap. Nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na idulog ito sa ating mayor. Kaya ito, napagbigyan tayo, naka-usufruct tayo ng 20 years at definitely makikinabang ang ating mga young athletes, not only football players, lahat ng klaseng activity pwedeng gawin dito dahil nga ito ay bigay ng ating buting mayor ng Tarlac City.
Farmers Livestock School on Goat Enterprise Management. Bisperas Market.
Thank you po kay Mayor Christy sa payag po sa amin na makapagtinda rito. Mai-present po namin yung mga paninda namin. Thank you po.
Farmers Irrigators Assembly.
Paintingin natin ang larangan ng agrikultura ng ating mga magsasaka. Patatatagin po natin ito. Hindi po tayo pababayaan ng Panginoong Diyos. At ako naman po, lalawakan ko pa ang abot ng aking makakaya upang makaabot tayo sa iba nating mga kapamilya at kasama sa larangan ng pagsasaka.
Safeguarding public funds is their commitment. City Accounting Office, City Budget Office, City Treasury Office. Tarlac City is your new possibility. It's Love Landing in Tarlac City through Philippine Overland Loop 2023.
Thank you for including Tarlac City in your map. We appreciate it very much that you found the time to visit us kahit mabilisan lang. And we're very happy to show you around what our Tarlac City Plaza can offer you all. And we're thankful na with your group, in a way, mapupromote din ang Tarlac City. Makakasama kami sa mapa ninyo. The time, the effort, the sacrifice, and all for the love of the country so you can promote our country. Thank you for including Tarlac City. And welcome every time, all the time kayo dito sa Tarlac City.
Magkaisa Tarlac City!
Aurora Province Tourism Officers and Guides Exposure. Elevating public health and safety. Anti-rabies vaccination for pets. Free flu and pneumococcal vaccines for senior citizens.
Nagpapasalamat po ako ng marami sa ibinibigay na importansya ng ating mayor at ng DOH sa ibinigay po nilang bakuna sa mga seniors. Napakalaking tulong po ito sa mga seniors na katulad ko. At least po, protection po natin ito sa lahat.
City Hall employees, first-time physical exam results, interpretation, and consultation. Providing access to quality and affordable healthcare. Free medicines at Angel Pharmacy. Free vaccines for animal bite.
Thank you so much po sa libreng rabies vaccine po. Safe na po ako ngayon sa rabies. Maraming salamat po.
Services of the rural health units. Quality service for an improved tomorrow. Assistance to individuals in crisis situation payout.
Lahat po ito ay nag-umpisa sa isang simpleng pangarap ng isang maliit na Mayor Christy. At lahat po ito handog ko para sa taong bayan. Lahat po ng nagagawa po nating ito kaloob ng Panginoon sa atin. Uling malagudya po'y nga pong ginukya-katamo.
Recognition of daycare teachers in celebration of World Teachers Day.
Tsaga-tsaga lang tayo kahit makukulit ang mga bata. Minsan mahirap umintindi. Minsan hindi nila maintindihan ang sinasabi natin. 3 things lang: patience, be very patient. Tsaka syempre yung kindness natin sa kanila. And of course, understanding.
Maraming salamat po para sa amin po mga daycare workers. Maraming salamat po. We love you.
Thank you, Mayor Christy! We love you!
Action Angel Rescue. Pre-marriage orientation and counseling. Records management and archiving. Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs. City Social Welfare and Development Office. Infrastructure projects for sustainability and development. Repair and maintenance activities. IT support and maintenance. Working for order and people's welfare. Notice of violation issuance to water refilling stations. Road safety and traffic management. Providing opportunities for career improvement and to earn. City Human Resources Management Office. Special and local recruitment activities. Prioritizing our people always comes first. It is one of the fundamentals of shaping our city's future. Powered by a shared purpose, mutual care, and layers of hope, while continually championing unity. Magkaisa! Bawat oras, sama-sama!